Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY oily gel serum. This is great for the face, and it is a really good formula for beginners as well. Not only that, but it is great for all skin types. So to begin with, I'm going to be adding some caprylic triglycerides to my beaker here. This is a very fast absorbing, lightweight oil, and it actually has been used in the cosmetic industry for many years. Best of all, it will not clog the pores. This next oil that I'm adding is blackcurrant oil. This is great for those that have sun damaged skin or any skin that has been affected by environmental stressors. It's very rejuvenating and conditioning for the skin. In this formula, I really wanted to use ingredients that were very good for all skin types. So this next ingredient, jojoba oil, is great at balancing the sebum production that our skin produces, and it also is very moisturizing as well. Now that I have my oils in my beaker, I'm going to be adding some rose wax. Now, rose wax is great for the skin. It helps to soothe, it helps to moisturize, and it helps to even out the skin tone. Best of all, it has a nice light floral scent to it. Once the wax has been added, it's time to go ahead and cover and gently heat the ingredients. I want to make sure that that rose wax that I added has completely melted. So here in my beaker, you can tell that the wax has completely melted down. I did allow this to sit for about a minute or so to cool down before I add this next ingredient, vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is really good for overall skin health. Not only that, but it will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients I used. The last ingredient that I'll be adding is Jasmine Absolute Essential Oil. This helps to promote collagen production. It's great for those that have sensitive skin. It's anti-inflammatory and it is very soothing. To ensure that I have all the ingredients nicely combined in the serum, I'm stirring it for a few minutes. Now, not only will it help to combine all the ingredients, but I find that when I do this, it will help to speed up the cooling process. Time to go ahead and pour all my ingredients into my tin. And what I'll do is I'll just allow this to sit for about 5 minutes. I want to make sure that it's down to room temperature. And then once it is at room temperature, I will be placing this in the freezer for about 10 to 12 hours. So here's the finished product. As you can see, it is not super hard, nor is it super liquidy. This is a serum that you can use on your face daily. Before I end this video, let me share with you the formula that I created to make this face serum today. Now, I've also included some substitutions as well. And if you do not have rose wax, you can either use cerebellina or beeswax in place of it. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.